follow the agenda. In that, we will do story time. Then we will do counting of the number 4. Then we will do the construction. And then we will finish our work with notebook work. For that, our keywords are 4, construct, when we build something like a building or blocks. Repeating, when something comes again and again. Okay, children? Story time, children. Here are 4 friends: horse, cow, rabbit and goat. They decided to go to the market and buy some vegetables. They bought many vegetables like tomatoes, cabbage, carrot and beet. Now they agreed to arrange them. They bought vegetables of their choice like rabbit bought carrots, goat bought cabbage, cow bought tomatoes and horse bought beet. So there are 4 friends. And how many carrots did rabbit buy? 4. Oh, look here. How many cabbages did goat buy? 4. And cow, how many tomatoes did it buy? Oh, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 again. And how many beets did horse buy? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow! So they are 4 friends and they bought their favorite vegetables, 4 in number. That means 4 is a special number. So today, children, we are going to learn something very important about the number 4. But before that, children, Sam has a little problem and we are going to help Sam count his pocket money that he received on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Oh, children, can you see a pattern here? Let's count and figure out this pattern and help him count his pocket money. On Monday, Sam received 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1 rupee notes. So, here we will write the number 4. Okay. On Tuesday, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4 and again 1, 2, 3, 4. So, on Tuesday he received 4 plus 4. Okay, children. On Wednesday, he received 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4. On Thursday, he received, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. And again 1, 2, 3, 4. So, on Thursday, he received 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, children. So now we have to find the total. Let's count. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Oh my God, children. It is getting so tiring and boring. Then again 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So children, to make our counting easy, I have one idea. Let's construct the table of 4. And to get rid of this repetitive addition, counting again and again 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, we will be able to count fast and easy. Okay children? Now children, we are going to start with the construction of table of 4. To do that, I have taken some straws and I have to make a shape. Children, can you guess which shape will match with our special number 4? Yes, square. So I have made this square with the help of these straws, and now we are going to start with our construction. Let's start with our construction of table of 4 children. Now I have taken this square. In this square, what is our special number? 4. So I am going to put 4 squares, tiny squares in this square, big square. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This has become 4. Now we will make more shapes of square and do the construction. Now children, I have taken these 2 squares. Now in them we will put 4 tiny squares. Let's count how many tiny squares are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In these 2 big squares, I have tiny 4 squares. Now what is the total? Will we do like this? 4 plus 4. No, we are not going to repeat 4 again and again. Now our number will be 8. 4 2 times will become 8. Now children, I have made these 3 squares. Now I am going to put 4 tiny squares in each big square. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many tiny squares in big squares? 12. That means 4 in each block will make it 12. This is how we will do the construction of table of 4 in our notebooks. I hope you have understood how we construct table of 4 and how it makes our counting easy. Okay children?